Hello, welcome everyone. As we all know, we are in unlock phase 5. So we are telling you the appropriate behavior of COVID-19. You should wear mask, follow physical distancing, maintain hand hygiene, wear mask properly, stay at least 6 feet from others. You should maintain a distance of 6 feet from others. Wash your hands frequently, always with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. You should wash your hand with soap for at least 20 seconds. Remember to not touch your face. Do not touch your face, eyes, nose, anything without washing your hand. Do not share food or drinks with others. Do not share your eatables or anything with others so that you will be protected from virus. Now we will continue our chapter form, in which we are learning about how to add the tables in our form. Now we will create a form using form design, and we will learn how to add combo box and list box. So we can also add control buttons into our form, such as list box and combo box. So we can add a list box or combo box in our form. These boxes are used to display a list of fixed values. Earlier we have made a form where we have to enter a value in text box. Now here there will be a fixed value in list box and combo box. To add combo box or list bag into the form, follow the steps. So steps are: click either on the combo box or list box in the control group on the design tab. On the design tab you will find a control group where there will be a option of combo box or a list box, and press the left mouse button once and drag it to the desired position on the form. Then you have to drag it down to your form at your desired position. Now press F4 or click on the property sheet option placed on the ribbon. So there is a property sheet option in the ribbon, or we can press a F4 so that the combo box or the list box will enter in our form. After that, to change the name of the control box, type the relevant name in the caption property. On the right hand side there will be a caption property where you can rename our boxes. You will observe that the existing name is replaced with the name that you have typed in, and automatically that name will be renamed. That name will be changed to the name which you have typed. To add values in the list or combo box, follow the step. To add the values, the fixed value which we have to enter, follow the steps. Steps are: click on the box named as unbound. There will be a box when you will drag it to your form with the name unbound. The property sheet appear at the right side of the axis. As we have seen in the earlier video, there will be a property sheet on the right hand side containing the relevant field associated with the unbound box. All the properties will be changed, or you can set all the properties on from the right hand side where the property sheet box will appear. Click the row source type property and select the value list from the drop down list. You have to select the row source type property and you select the value list from the drop down list, and the drop down list will show only those property which is in our that table. Now type a list of values within a double quote separated by semicolon. Now you have to type the list of values with separated by semicolon, and you have to type those values in double quotes. In the row source property, you will see a property there, row source property. You have to enter in that. Make sure that the allow value list edit is selected as yes. You have to select the value list edit as yes. Now we will move to the practical. Okay, first we will learn to add title to your form. Select the label A, capital A, small a option in the control group on the design tab. The pointer changes into plus sign with capital A alphabet. Bring the pointer to the form and drag it to the title in it. To add the title of the form, there will be a label capital and small a. We have to drag it down to our form where we want a title. There we can drag it down and we can make it as big as we want, and we can format the title, for example font size, color or style in format option. Formatting as you have done in MS Word also, and in many more typing software. Similarly you can format the title here also. To preview your form, click on the View drop-down button in the View group and select the Form view. To see how our form looks, we can check it from the Form view. When we have finished designing our form, click the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar or click the Office button and select Save. Save as dialog box appear on the screen. Give relevant name to your form and click on OK button. The new form will be displayed in all the tables pane in the left side of the screen. So like we save our file, we can save our form also by clicking on save or save as button from Quick Access toolbar. Now we will see how this will work. We have to open MS Access. So for that we have to click on start button, then on MS Access, and we have to create a form. Table 1 ID is here. Create, see, a form design. Here is a form design. A property sheet is here. We have to add the existing field. Show all tables. There is only one table, table 1 with name ID. See, here we have added the ID like we have learned how to make it in previous video. We can move it by our choice wherever we want by this four-headed arrow. This is how we have added our table list. Now we have to add from controls, we have to add a list box or a combo box. This is the list box. We can drag it to wherever we want in our form. See, here I have dragged it. I want the list box to get the values from another table or query. I will type the value that I want. Whatever you want, you can do the next, and number of columns you can add the value by your choice. Remember the value for the later use. Store the value in this field. We can do whatever we want and we can click on finish. This is how we can add our control button. So here is the unbound option, and all the options of this box is here. We can see and we can update. We can use the data from here. Here is the row source, and in row source there is a value is 12, which I have typed right now. And in control source also there is it is showing only a one list, one column, that is ID, and in row source there is a value, that is fixed value that I have given is 12. This is how we can make our list box. And in controls above you can see here capital and small a. This is our title. By here we can add the title in our form. So we can drag it down here wherever we want. We can drag it this in form. A plus and a capital A is there. You can easily see plus capital A. That means we have to make a title. So we can drag it down here and we can write down the title. This is how we have to add a title in our form. To see our form here, from view we can see our form in form view. This is our forms. One ID, column 1, fixed value of a list box is 12, and this is our title ABCD. Thank you.